of Standard 4. The name of the lesson is Journey of Food. We all are eating food because food is providing the energy to empower our body. If you want to move from one place to another place, so definitely you need the energy for movement. If you want to read, if you want to play, if you want to talk even, for all the works you should have the energy. So who is providing this energy? The food. So all of you got this one. I think that our basic need is, one of our basic need is food. Just like the shelter, clothes. So food, without food we can't live. So first thing, we are getting food from the animals and the plants. Most of the foods we are getting from the plants because they are able to synthesize food. So first I would like to talk you about the different kinds of foods which one we are getting from the plants. Just like cereals. Cereals, which crops in the village, the farmers are cultivating different kinds of crops. Just like rice, wheat, the corn, millets, oats. These crops are called cereals. With the help of these cereals, we are getting in our body the carbohydrate mainly. The other things also we are getting, other food elements we are also getting, but mainly the carbohydrate we are getting from these cereals. Next, about the pulses. Pulses are providing different kind of proteins. Different examples of pulses are red lentils, green gram beans, black-eyed beans, yellow pigeon beans, the red kidney beans. These all beans we are having in our daily life, and the different pulses are providing us the protein. Mainly for protein we are having the pulses. And oils, from which plants we are getting the oils? The groundnuts, the sesame seed, the mustard seed, linseed, sunflowers. These all plants, they are providing us the oils. We will talk about the vegetables. We all are eating vegetables. What do you know that name of the vegetables? So first thing, the brinjal, the carrot, beans, onions, potato, tomato. So these all are the examples of the vegetables. So which vegetable do you like to eat? Okay, which vegetables you love? So prepare one list and list out the names. And if you have more time also, you can prepare for your friend also. In this way, you can know the favorite vegetables of your friend. Next, we will talk about the fruits. Which fruit do you love? I think it may be the mango, or maybe apple, or maybe grape, banana, whatever may be. But I don't know. You should prepare one list. Which fruits you love? So these are the example of the fruits. Just like the apples, pineapple, bananas, cherries, strawberries, orange, the papayas. So these all are the different examples of the fruit. Now the dry fruits. What the dry fruits are doing? They are providing us the immunity power and proteins also. And with the help of immunity power, it is increasing the power to fight against disease. The example of different dry fruits are the apricots, the raisins, the cashews, the almonds. These are the different dry fruits. Which dry fruit do you love? Can you tell me please? And the spices. Next I will talk about the different spices. So why we are having the spices? First thing, for increasing the flavor in our different curries, because if you will add spices, then it will make more tastier, and the spices are also boosting our immunity power, as well as it is fighting against some disease, and it is helping us to reduce our body weights also. So these spices are also important in our daily life. Can you tell me few name of the spices? Definitely the chili, the turmeric, the cumin, the cloves, the cardamom. These all are the different spices. And what about the beverage? The teas, coffee, these kind of drinks are called the beverage. What they are doing to our health? Actually, they are keeping our nerves very active. Whenever you are getting very tired, if you have 1 cup of tea or coffee, on that time your nerve will become active, and if you will take excess amount of this beverage, so on that time you will face the problem. Just like you won't have the sleep, you may face any other disease also. So definitely don't try to get these things more. On that time you may face problem. So these are the different kinds of foods which we are getting from the plants, and there are few foods also which we are having from the animals, just like the chicken, mutton, eggs, fish. These are providing us the protein. So which food do you love? Which one is your favorite food? Can you tell me please? So whatever may be, but one thing always keep in mind, that you should eat the healthy food. Don't go for the junk food, just like the French fries, the chips, the cold drinks. These are the junk foods. So always try to avoid those foods. This may decrease your immunity power. So these foods, if you will have on that time, you can think, okay, I have food, so definitely no problem, now I am not feeling hungry. These are not good for our health. So always try to have food after a short interval, just like within 2 hours. If you will eat now, after don't eat more, but you have to eat less, but frequently, very less interval of time. And one more thing is also there, you should drink plenty of water. If you won't drink the water, that one also may decrease your immunity power, and our body wants lots of water daily. So daily you should drink at least 2 liter water minimum. If you can drink more, that one is good, no side effect, but you definitely should drink plenty of water daily. This may increase your immunity power, this may increase your this may refresh your blood system, the circulatory part, that is the body blood system, that one also will be fresh. Our digestive power will become more if you will drink more amount of water. So always be a good child, be a good baby, always try to keep the healthy food, and along with it drink plenty of water daily.